Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP OfficeJet 5255 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to look for HP OfficeJet 5255 support and search for it. Best result should be an HP support page that says HP OfficeJet 5255 all-in-one printer. Open that up. And now you want to go underneath the support category that says software and drivers. And then going a little bit further down underneath installation software and driver, you may need to expand that drop-down. Select the HP Easy Start Printer Setup software and the download button for that. And once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file to extract it and give it a moment. And once it has finished extracting, you might be prompted with a user account control screen. Should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then just proceed with the wizard you see on my screen here and get it configured for your device settings, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.